So we'll start with the discussion on the basics of integration over here. Okay. So let us understand this. F of x, which is y, f dash x is nothing but dy by dx, first order derivative. So from year to year, if we are moving from f of x to f dash x, we'll have to derivate. We derivate, right? From f of x, if we require f dash x or dy by dx, we derivate. And from year to year, if we want to come back, it's integrate. Okay. So f of x to f dash x, we'll have to derivate, and from f dash x, if you want to get a function back, we'll have to integrate. Is this clear, guys? Fine. So let us write down one formula. Integration of f dash x dx is equal to f of x. Integration of f dash x dx is equal to f of x. Okay, and when you solve this, you'll get a function back. So this is the integration sign. This is not f, this is not f. It's integration sign. And why I'm writing dx is because integration with respect to x. So this is the format of writing. Okay. So first and foremost, you should know the formula list for integration, which I'll be giving you right now. You go on copying. This is the basic formula that you should know. Integration of f dash x. So integration of derivative of the function will give you the function back. So I'm taking you to the formula list. First one, integration of x raised to n dx. So this is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Now what is this plus c? I will give you an explanation later on. You just copy this. Integration of e raised to x dx is equal to e raised to x plus c. E is Euler's constant. You all know that. A raised to x dx is equal to a raised to x upon log a plus c. First three formulae. Okay, you can reply over the chat box. Are you done with this? Yeah. So next one, integration of 1 upon x dx is equal to log modulus of x plus c. Integration of 1 dx is equal to x plus c. Now I'll take a pause over here. So integration of any constant is not zero. In derivatives, derivative of a single constant is zero, but an integration of a single constant is not zero. Okay. Few more things. Integration of 2 dx is 2x. Integration of 3 dx is 3x plus c. Okay, you should remember this. Integration of half dx is equal to half x plus c. Okay, now that plus c thing I will just explain. Don't worry. So constant, if it is there, you have to attach x to it. Okay, you have to attach x to it. 3 will be 3x, half will be half x. So integration of a constant is not zero. Derivative of a constant is zero. Okay. Now I'll tell you what is plus c. Okay. Now x square plus 2. I'm just writing f of x over here. X square plus 2 and f dash x. What is the derivative of x square plus 2? The derivative of x square plus 2 is 2x. X square plus 3. The derivative is 2x. Once again, x square plus 3000. For example, again the derivative is 2x. Okay. So we are derivating. And if you want to come back from here to here, we'll have to integrate. So integration of 2x is x square plus 2. Integration of 2x can be x square plus 3. Integration of 2x can be x square plus 300 also, 3000 also, or any other number. Okay. So the fixed part over here is x square. This is the fixed part. This is not changing. What is changing? This part, the thing which is marked in yellow, this is changing. Are these constants? 2, 3, 3000, are these constants? Yes or no? Yes or no? So this is C basically. C can be anything. So when we integrate, okay, we'll get certain answer, but then we'll have to attach a constant over there, and that is C. Because we really don't know what is C. We cannot really predict until and unless it is definite integral. There is a topic which is called as definite integrals. उसके बिना we cannot just predict. Okay. I hope you got a point. We continue with the formula list. This was the fifth formula. Sixth and seventh. Integration of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. Integration of cos x dx is sin x plus c. Don't compare derivatives and integration formula. Learn it separately. Of course, you can compare, but then as a teacher, I would recommend please do not compare it. Okay, 6 and 7 minus cos x and sin x. Okay, sin x is minus cos x and cos x is sin x. Formula number 8, integration of sec square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. Integration of cosec square x dx minus cot x plus c. Integration of sec x tan x dx is equal to sec x plus c. Integration of cosec x cot x dx minus cosec x plus. Just copy this. Okay. Should I go ahead? Fine. So formula number 12, integration of sec x dx log mod sec x plus tan x plus c. Integration of cosec x dx log mod cosec x minus cot x plus c. Integration of tan x dx log mod sec x plus c. Integration of cot x dx log mod sin x plus c. Please copy this. Fine. Yeah. Okay, I hope you have copied this. Fine. The next one, that is formula number 16. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Tan inverse x plus c. Integration of 1 upon root 1 minus x square dx. Sin inverse x plus c. Okay, copy this. Yeah, we'll take some problems directly from the textbook. OPM, exercise 13a. Exercise 13a, question number 1, sub question 1. Understand the format of writing. I is equal to integration of sine 2x dx. Now we have done derivatives. Similar concepts are there over here. Okay. So sine x integration is minus cos x. So sine 2x integration will be minus cos 2x upon chain rule part. Who is x over here? Can you reply? Who is x over here? Correct. 2x is x. Okay. So the chain rule part comes down in integration. Chain rule part comes down in the denominator. The same part is in the numerator in which chapter? In derivatives. But then in integration, it is in the denominator. Okay. Both of you understood this? Okay. Now see, let me ask this once again. Who is x over here in this problem? Who is x? 2x. X is 2x. Now, derivatives never really had any rules on chain rule. Okay, chain rule or composite function. But then integration has certain rules on chain rule and composite function. Whoever is x in integration, it should be LAT. That means linear algebraic term. This particular x value, it cannot be trigonometric, it cannot be logarithmic, it cannot be ITF, it cannot be exponential. What is exponential? E raised to x, e raised to x. It cannot be this. It has to be linear algebraic term. Did you understand? It should be algebraic term, but then linear as well. Linear means x ka power should be 1. When I say 2x, is the power of x 1? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. Few more examples. You will come to know what I'm trying to communicate over here. Question number 1, sub question 2. Integration of 2 sine 3x dx. 2 is a constant, 2 will go outside, sine 3x dx. Integration of sine x is minus cos x. Okay. Integration of sine x is minus cos x. So this will be minus cos 3x upon chain rule part dy dx of 3x. Now guys tell me, who is x over here? Who is x over here? Who is x? 3x. 3x is x. Is 3x LAT linear algebraic term? Yes, because x is in the base and x ka power is 1. Algebraic terms, x is always in the base and x power is 1. Okay, so eventually this answer will be 3 and the final answer is minus 2 by 3 cos 3x plus. I repeat, the final answer will be minus 2 by 3 cos 3x plus. Guys, are you understanding this or you finding it difficult? Okay. Sub question 3, I leave it up to you. I'll go to sub question 4. Integration of cos phi x upon 2. Now that 2 will go down outside as half. Constant goes outside. Variable cannot go outside. Integration of cos x is sin x. So integration of cos 5x will be sin 5x upon dy dx of 5x. Okay. Now when I ask you what is the x term over here, what is the x term? When I compare this with cos x, what is x? X is 5x. Is 5x LAT? Is 5x LAT? Yes. Okay. So if 5x is LAT, then only we can proceed. Otherwise, we cannot. And randomly, they won't frame any problem and give it to you directly. Okay. Derivatives didn't really have such kind of rules. So this is 5, 5 to the 10. So it will be 1 upon 10 sine 5x plus sine 5x plus. Should I go ahead? Keep the formula list open in front of you. Question number 1, sub question 5. Integration of 8 sec square 5x dx. Okay. 8 sec square 8x. Sorry. Doesn't really matter, but then if it is given as 8x, I'm writing it as 8x. This 8 will go outside sec square 8x. Now integration of sec square 8x, sec square x, sorry, is equal to tan x. So integration of sec square 8x will be tan 8x upon d by dx of 8x, the chain rule part. Okay, because when I compare this with sec square x, who is x? X is 8x, which is LAT, linear algebraic term. Fine. So this 8 and this 8 will get cancelled because dy dx of 8x is 8. The answer is tan 8x plus. Should I go ahead? Question number 1, sub question 6. Integration of cos x square 2x dx. Now integration of cos x square x is minus cot x. Okay. So this will be minus cot 2x upon dy dx of 2x. Because when I say cos x square 2x and if I compare it with cos x square x, who is x? X is 2x and 2x is LAT. To make this check, cross check this. Okay. And the answer of this is 2. So minus cot 2x upon 2 plus. Guys, any feedback you are finding it difficult to understand or manageable? Okay. Should I go to the next problem? Question number one, sub question 7. Okay. Integration of sec 5x tan 5x dx. Now we have a direct formula for sec x tan x or tan x sec x, one and the same thing. It is sec x. So sec 5x tan 5x is sec 5x. X is 5x, 5x is linear algebraic term. So upon dy dx of 5x. This is going to be 5. Okay. Next problem. Question number 1, sub question 8. Integration of minus cosec 3x cot 3x dx. Now we have the integration of cosec x cot x. Integration of cosec x cot x is minus cosec x. Okay. Now first of all, I'll take this minus sign outside. There is a minus sign already in the problem. Okay. So cosec x cot x is cosec x. So cosec what? Can you tell me? Cosec of what? 3x. Correct. Cosec of 3x upon dy dx of 3x plus c. Because when I compare this with this terms, 3x is x and 3x is linear algebraic. Okay. So question number 2, sub question 1. Integration of cos phi minus 3x. Now guys, integration of cos x is sin x. Okay. So integration of cos phi minus 3x will be sin phi minus 3 upon dy dx of phi minus 3x. Because when we compare this term with cos x, who is x? X is phi minus 3x. Guys, is phi minus 3x term linear algebraic term? Yes, it is very well linear algebraic term because the power of x is 1. X should be in the base and the power of x should be 1. This is going to be minus 3. I don't think so any explanation is required over here. Why it is minus 3. Okay. Next problem. Question number 2, sub question 2. Should I? Now certain basics are required over here. I is equal to 2 sine pi by 2 minus x by 2. Now sin pi by 2 minus theta. Sin pi by 2 minus theta is cos theta. So 2 outside. So this will be cos x by 2. Okay. Complementary angle. Now the integration of cos is sin x by 2 upon d by dx of x by 2. Guys, when I say cos x by 2, who is x? Who is x? X is getting replaced with what? X by 2. X is getting replaced with x by 2. X by 2 is a linear algebraic term. Don't you feel x by 2 is a linear algebraic term? X is in the base, next ka power is 1. Okay. The answer for this will be half in the denominator, and that 2 will go up and multiply with this 2 before. Question number 2, sub question 3 and 4, you can do it on your own. Question number 2, sub question 3 and 4, you can do it on your own. Yeah. Next set of problems. Okay, now something extra I'll teach you right now. Remember this. It's very important for at least 4 to 5 chapters. Integration of tan square x dx. Now there is no formula for tan square x. Okay. So in this case, we'll convert this into identity. First, we'll convert this into identity. So this is sec square x minus 1. Tan square x is sec square x minus 1. Okay. Now individual integration of sec square x minus integration of 1. So integration of sec square x is tan x. You can refer the formula sheet. Minus integration of 1 is x. Guys, just give a feedback whether you have understood this or not. Okay. So tan square x, always don't do it directly. There is no formula for tan square x. So you have to use identity first. Again, extra problem. Cot square x dx. Identity. Cos x square x minus 1 dx. Okay. Integration of cos x square x is minus cot x. And integration of 1 is x. Integration of 1 is x. Guys, are you understanding? Okay. Something more. Now this situation might arise. Cos x upon sin square x. So it will be cos x upon sin x into 1 by sin x. So this you write 2 times. Now cos upon sin is cot x and 1 upon sin is cosec x. So cosec x cot x is what? Minus cosec x. Minus cosec x. Guys, did you understand this? This also will arise multiple number of times. Okay. Then integration of sin x upon cos square x dx. Sin x upon cos square x. So this equals sin x Cos x into 1 upon cos x. Cos x I'm writing twice. So this is tan x and this is sec x. Can you just refer the formula sheet and tell what is the right answer over here? As in, what is the answer over here? The answer is sec x. Okay, correct. Good. Sec x plus. Next problem. Integration of sine square x. Now, whenever it is sine square x and cos square x, you should use identities. Sorry, you should use half angle. Okay, so whenever it is sine square and cos square, first step would be to multiply and divide by always sine square cos square multiply and divide by. So this 2 take it out and this part 2 sine square x. If you remember the formula, 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sine square x. Do you remember this? So I'm not integrating, I'm using this half angle formula. 1 minus cos 2x dx. Any feedback, guys? You're understanding this? Okay. So half into integration of 1 is x, integration of 1 is x, and cos 2x. Cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2. Guys, why I'm writing sin 2x upon 2? Why the upon 2 is there? Will you tell me? Chain rule, correct. D by dx of 2x, which is 2. Is 2x linear algebraic term? That also you need to check. Is 2x linear algebraic term LAT? Yes, correct. Okay. I hope you have copied this. Next one. Chalo, please guide me how to solve this. Multiply and divide by 2. Correct. This 2. Take it down. 1 plus cos 2x. 2 cos square x. Do you remember this half angle formula? 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. So 2 cos square x over here, I'll replace it with 1 plus cos 2x. So half integration of 1 is x plus cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2. A plus c is for the entire problem. ना? 1 x के लिए अलग से plus c and sin 2x by 2 के लिए अलग से plus c don't write. It should be common for the entire. Okay. There are technical reasons behind it, but then for now just write it common for the entire problem plus c. And when to remove this integration sign? We have to remove this integration sign when we apply integration formula. Okay. Once the formula is applied, remove this integration. Okay. Next problem. Should I? Okay, so next question. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus sin x. Now just remember, whenever there is 1 plus sin x or 1 minus sin x in the denominator, always rationalize. I'm not writing numerator, it's in the denominator. So rationalize the denominator. 1 plus sine, 1 minus sine only. If it is in the denominator, rationalize. Guys, what is 1 plus sine x into 1 minus sine x? A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So this is 1 minus sine x upon cos square x dx. Upon cos square x dx. Have you understood this, everyone? Till here, is it okay? Now I'm going to split this into two parts. 1 upon cos square x minus sin x upon cos square x. So this is equal to 1 upon cos square x minus sin x upon cos square x dx. 1 upon cos square x is sec square x. And if you remember, we have done this some time back. Sin upon cos square or cos upon sin. Guys, do you remember this? Okay. So this is integration of sec square x minus tan x sec x. Now individual integration, because there is a minus sign. By the way, integration can be done individually if there is plus or minus sign in between. Individual application of form. So tan x minus sec x plus c. Tan x minus sec x plus c. Okay. Have you understood this? Fine. Now there is no product rule and no quotient rule in integration. Derivatives had product rule. Derivatives had quotient rule. U upon v. So will integration have product rule and quotient rule? Yes or no? What did I comment? No. Correct. There is no product rule and quotient rule for it. We'll take one more problem. Integration of cos x, sorry, cos x upon 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x in the denominator, rationalize it. I've given you the hint. 1 minus sin x in the denominator, rationalize it. Cos x into 1 is cos x plus cos x sin x. Okay. And down, a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So this will be integration of cos x plus cos x sin x upon cos square x. cos x upon cos square x, cos x sin x upon cos square x. Split this upon this plus this upon this. So 1 upon cos x plus sin x upon cos x. Okay, because one cos and this cos will get cancelled. So this will be integration of sec x plus tan x. Okay, so this will be integration of sec x plus tan x. I'll just write it over here. Integration of sec x plus tan x dx. Individual integration because there is a plus sign in between. Integration of sec x is log mod sec x plus tan x plus integration of tan x is log mod sec x. Log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is log a into b. I'll just multiply this, and this should be your final answer. Guys, any feedback? You have understood this? Have you understood this, guys? Okay. Last two problems. Then we'll wrap up. Should I erase this? Okay. So, yeah, integration of sine cube x dx. Okay. Integration of sine cube x dx. Now, whenever there is sine cube x or cos cube x, always make use of sine 3x and cos 3x, triple angle formula. So, whenever it is sine cube cos cube, use triple angle formula. I'll just write down the basic formula. Sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine x. So, from this particular triple angle formula, we'll try to find out the value of sine x. So, 4 sine cube x, 4 sine cube x is equal to 3 sine x minus sine x. This term over here and this term over here. Guys, are you getting the point? Is it difficult? Okay, so whenever it is sine cube x and cos cube x, we should use sine 3x formula. Okay. Now sine 3x, this is the basic formula. Did you understand? Do you know this sine 3x formula? Yes or no? Okay. अभी इसमें से we'll try to find out the value of sine cube x. For that reason, I'll shift this minus 4 sine cube x on the right hand side. I'll make it plus 4 sine cube x. And then this I'll shift it on the right hand side. 3 sine x minus sine 3x. We are finding out this from the triple angle. Yes. Now is it clear? Yes or no? Okay. Just put this in a box. Now multiply and divide with 4. Multiply and divide with 4. So sine cube x problems and cos cube x multiply and divide with 4. Okay. Now have we got really the value of 4 sine cube x? Do we have this value? 4 sine cube x. Look inside the box. Do we have this value? The answer is yes. Yes, we can take this 4 on the other side also, not a problem. Okay. So we have this value 3 sine x minus sine. So I'll go to the next slide. Should I? So I is equal to 1 by 4, 3 sin x minus sin 3x. 1 by 4. Now individual integration. So I'm putting a box bracket. 3 sin x. 3 is a constant remain as it is. Sin x integration is minus cos x. Likewise, sin 3x integration will be minus cos 3x upon 3, because sin x is minus cos x, so sin 3x will be minus cos x. 3x is x and 3x is linear algebraic term. So chain rule. Guys, are you understanding this? Plus cos 3x upon plus 6. Okay. If you want to multiply 1 by 4 to both the terms, you can just do that. Not really a requirement. Okay. Next problem. Integration of cos cube x. Now first we'll make this box. Cos 3x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Now if you don't know this particular formula, nobody can help. So by hook or crook, you should know this form. Sin 3x and cos 3x. 34, 42. Okay. So now we'll find out the value of cos cube x. Now this time I'll just send this minus 3 cos x on the other side. Okay. So cos 3x plus 3 cos x is equal to 4 cos cube x. So we got 4 cos cube x. Now one method is to multiply and divide by 4, which I've done. Now those who don't want to do this can just find out the value of cos cube x. Okay. So what is cos cube x? Cos 3x plus 3 cos x upon 4. Okay. So we got the value of cos x. Guys, feedback please. Have you understood this 3 steps? You can also multiply and divide by 4 after the second step. Okay. Yeah. So directly what I will do is I'll put this in a box and then integration cos cube x, cos 3x plus 3 cos x upon 4 dx. 1 by 4 moves outside. 1 by 4 is outside. Okay. So this will be cos 3x plus 3 cos x. Individual integration because there is a plus sign in between. Okay. So plus 3. Guys, the derivative integration of cos x is sin x. So what is the integration of cos 3x? Integration of cos is sin. So what is integration of cos 3x? Sin 3x. Along with the chain rule. Okay, upon dy dx of 3x. 3x is linear algebraic term. You keep on checking that. If it is not a linear algebraic term, you cannot do this. Okay. So this was the first session on Indef 1, indefinite integrals 1. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye.